You can create a new Word document by click on the Office button and select the New Document window. To get your job easier, Microsoft provides a number of preset document templates to make it easier to get started. By using a template, you can quickly create a particular kind of document. For example, letter for your friends, and you can just fill in your information into the template to complete your letter. After you have created a new document, you can now begin adding text by typing at the insertion point. You can manipulate the text by dragging your mouse through the text to select it and then dragging it to another location, or copying or cutting and pasting it elsewhere. To move through a document in Word, you can drag the sliders on the right side of the window or use the down arrow on your keypad. With longer documents, Word provides the document browser for you to go to specific part of your document. After selecting text, you can format it by changing the font size, or font color, or making it bold, italic, or underline. You also can make further adjustments. Formatting the text in your document. The Home tab in Office lets you quickly apply formatting changes to select text in your document. You can change the font size or case and apply bold, italic, underscore, or strike-through text. You can also add sub or superscript to apply more text format options. You can click the dialog launch icon in the font group. So now, let's see the video. To format the text in your document, please follow the following steps. Click to make sure you are in the Home tab of the ribbon. Drag through the typed text to select text to reformat. You can now click to select bold, italic, and/or underline to the font group. If you make a mistake, you can press the Ctrl+Z keys on your keyboard or the undo command on the quick access toolbars at the top left of the screen to go back through previous steps. Click the font drop-down arrow. Click to select a different font for the selected text. Your text is formatted with the choice you made. Clicking the Clear Formatting button in the fonts groups will remove all formatting from a selected blocks of text and return it to its original format. You can click the dialog launch icon at the lower right of the font group to bring up additional options. Insert a page number on your document. The insert tape of the ribbon gives you the option to quickly add page numbers at the bottom or at any place of your document. Page numbers become part of the footer or header of the document. After insert the page number, you can change or reposition it in the header and footer tools tapes of the ribbon, which will display on the ribbon when you double-click in the footer or header area of the document. So now, let's see the video.
To insert a page number on your document, please follow the following steps. First, click to access the insert tape. Click page numbers in the header and footer group. Click bottom of page. Click to select one of the options and add the page numbers. The header and footer tools tabs of the ribbon open in the Design tab. Select the page numbers on the page. Click the Home tabs of the ribbon. Click to change the fonts, font colors, or font size of the page number. Click in the main document or double-click the font and or header tabs to close the header and footer tab. Click Footers and then remove footers in the header and footer tools tabs to remove the page number.
Insert header, foot or footer information into your document. The insert tape of the ribbon gives you the option to quickly add headers and footer to your documents. Just like the page numbers, the footer and headers can be changed and repositioned in the header and footer tools, the tool tabs of the ribbon. So now, let's see the video.
To insert header or footer into your document, please follow the following steps. First, click to access the insert tape. Click Footer in the header and footer group. Click to select and insert one of the options. The header and footer tools tabs of the ribbon opens in the Design tab. Select the Type Text Content Control and type in the text. Use your keyboard to replace or delete the content control text. Double-click in the main document to close the header and footer tools tabs.
insert symbols in your document, you will need to, the insert tapes of the ribbon provides additional elements that you can add to your document. You can use the symbol options in the symbol groups to add important notations. You can use the date and time options to specify how you want a date or time format in your text. So now, let's see the video.
To insert symbols in your document, please follow the following steps. First, click Insert to open the insert tape. Click to put the insertion point where you want your symbol to locate. Click Symbol in the Symbols group. Click to insert the symbol you want to place at that point. Click the equation in the symbol groups to create an equation.
Create bullets or numbers in your document. You can apply a bullet or number for a paragraph to make it stand out or look more polished in your document. You can use preset style for bullet and numbers, or you can define your own format. So now, let's see the video.
To create bullets or numbers in your document, please follow the following steps. First, click to make sure you are in the home tape. Drag to select your paragraph list. Click the bullets or numbers drop-down arrow. Click to select and apply a style. The list has the bullet or number style selected. When you click Defining Bullet, you can select from a symbol, picture, or font to create your new bullet. You can use the Define Number Format option to modify the style of your number list too. To remove the bullet or numbers, select the list and click None in the Bullets or Numbers drop-down menu.
Search your document and replacing text in the document. You can click in Find or Replace in the editing groups of the home tape. Let you quickly locate instance of a particular word and replace it with other text if you want. So now let's see the video.
To search your document and replacing text in the document, please follow the following steps. First, click Find in the Home tab. Type your search terms in the navigation panel and click Find Next. The instance of your search terms are highlighted in the document. You can click again to navigate to the next part of the document. Click Replace in the editing groups of the Home tabs. The word you selected is already in the Find What field. Enter a word you want to replace it with the Replaced with field. You can click Replace All to find and replace all instances of the chosen word. The multiple instances are replaced.